Good morning, first grade friends. I hope that you all had a wonderful weekend and that you are excited for another week of distance learning together. I am excited to be back with you as always, and I am missing you guys an extra bunch today. So I am giving you all a big virtual hug from here for my good morning today. Let's read our message together. Oh, I almost forgot to say hello. Let's start at the beginning. Hello, first graders. 5-18-20. Today is Monday, May 18th, 2020. We will work on letters G and H in our memory books. We are learning about words that say oi this week. We are practicing story problems in math. Please remember to be looking at my comments on Seesaw and to be checking your inbox for work you might need to fix. Keep working hard. You have music today. Be kind to one another. Hugs, Miss Anderson. All right, so sometimes remember Miss Anderson will send things back to you on Seesaw, and sometimes I'll have a little video attached, or maybe I'll just write in the comments about one or two things that you need to fix. So make sure you're looking at those things to send them back to Miss Anderson when you are finished with them. That's just a little reminder for today. And then let's look at our big to-dos. We are going to read for 15 minutes today. Remember, you can do that on Epic or in a book that maybe you're reading. Memory books today, we're working on letters G and H. We are working on OI and OY, making words today. So those are going to be on Seesaw, a Seesaw activity. And when we have OI and OY in a word, it makes the sound oi, like in the word toy. I wonder if any of you can think of a word that has that oi in it. You are going to do a drawing conclusions activity on Seesaw, and that one you do not need to make a response to. There is a measuring in inches activity on Seesaw, and that's kind of a review. So Miss Anderson can see what you remember from what we learned when we were back in the classroom. And then we're going to be practicing solving word story problems today. You're going to watch a video, and Annie and Moby are going to talk to you about that, and then you'll get to practice it in your workbook page, and then of course your riddle of the day, just like always. All right, boys and girls, I hope that you have a wonderful, marvelous, magnificent Monday with all of the learnings that you will be doing today. And as always, if you need any help, you just let me know. Bye, first graders. I'll see you later.